Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel of Aspire True Designs. If you're new here, hey, what's up? I'm Jazz. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me. So what's up, y'all? I am off work. Peep the shirt. And my friend Daquita's on her way over here. We're supposed to be going to the lake today because it's so nice out in Georgia, because the rest of the week is kind of shaky. I'm not sure if it's gonna be rainy or sunny, so we're trying to take advantage of today. Okay, so we're about to go to the lake. It's just a perfect thing to do, especially when you get off work, to chill, get you something to drink, something to eat by the water. We stay at the lake, y'all, so just get used to seeing that on my YouTube, because that's what we do. We be at the lake. We be around water, period. So this should be a nice weekly vlog. I'm going to try to get some content every day. Bear with me. But yeah, today's Monday. So today's Monday, the 28th. Yeah, the 28th. So let's see how this goes. Lake, here we come.
Tell me your name.
Aubrey.
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 All right, so we have Aubrey. She's so pretty.
Say hi to my channel. You have to say hi to everyone. Hi.
How old are you?
I'm 9.
She's 9. Look
You're
at
so pretty.
I know.
Are these your friends?
Let's go.
Oh, your friends.
Hello.
This is Aiden. This is Alicia.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Nice to meet you guys.
I'm 6 years old.
6. Okay.
I'm 10.
10.
10.
I like your freckles. Those are so pretty on your face.
Thank you.
So pretty. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Have fun.
Nice to meet you.
We met some new friends. Oh. I can't help it, girl.
I know, that was cute. It was cute. Yeah.
So today's Tuesday and I just got off work and my car overheated. I was just about to be home like 5 minutes from the house and it overheated. Look. I had to pop the hood. I'm sitting outside the Wells Fargo just waiting on my car to cool down because apparently it didn't have any coolant. That's what it's called. Yeah, it didn't have any coolant in it, so I'm letting my car cool down first. I'm gonna try to make it home because the coolant cap, I don't know if y'all know, but anyway, my car is cooling right now. I'm gonna try to start it up and make it home. On top of that, my throat is like tripping. I feel fine, but my throat is just tripping. I don't know what that is, but it's tripping. I was about to leave work early because my throat. I'm just gonna go get me some tea, some honey, and take it easy. I don't want to talk to nobody. I'm trying to rest my vocals because my throat is hurting. So I will just hook up with y'all when I get home, or I might see y'all tomorrow on Wednesday because today is just not it, y'all. It is not it. So I hope y'all are having a happy Tuesday because this is how mine is. I will see y'all later on today. I wanted to go get my nails done too because this don't make no sense. You see that? But depending on if my car acts right, I can go get my nails done. If not, I might have to wait till tomorrow, and I really want to go today. So we gonna see what entails. So yeah, I'll catch up with y'all later on today, okay? Or tomorrow, I don't know yet. Hey boy, say hi. Give me paw. Give me paw. Give me paw. Sit down. Good boy, he's a good boy. Yeah, good boy, Bruno. You're a good boy. Alright, so I made it home in one piece. Yee. I hate this shirt. I'm about to take this off and get comfortable. I'm gonna let my car chill for the night. I'm not gonna go get my nails done. So I think that's just the smart thing to do. And I hate this shirt. I feel like a little boy. I don't like it. And that's why I try to dress it up and put like a blazer on, but this is just not it. But I'm about to take this off and just relax for the rest of the night. Probably do some editing. Probably order some food. So my car can chill. And I'll probably just go get my nails done tomorrow. But me being stubborn, I still might go tonight. I don't know yet. And let my car cool off for a couple hours and then try to get my nails done before they close. I don't know yet, so we'll see. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know the status and everything on what's going on. So that's where I'm at. I'm about to just chill and relax. I do want to go get something for my throat though. But yeah, I will catch y'all later on tonight or tomorrow. Going to get me something to eat. Ouch. So I'm going to get something to eat. I'm hungry. Gee whiz. I'm taking my... Is this push to start or what? I'm going to Cheeseburger Bobby's. I think that's what it's called. Cheeseburger Bobby Cheeseburgers. Cheeseburger Bobby's. Because I want a cheeseburger. Yes, I do. While my little car over there resting. My little cherry. Or I call her my little cherry pop. Because it's just so tiny. My car is so little and red and cute. So... I'm on my way to get a burger, so I'll let y'all know when I get back because I'm hungry. Okay. So today's Wednesday. What's up, y'all? I'm trying to still stay positive despite my situation. My car overheated again. I was on my way to work. I had to be there at 9 o'clock. It's now 10:20. I've been on the phone with my insurance company, with the roadside assistant company. They just been giving me the runaround, talking about they can't find a tow truck company to come pick me up, that I'll have to call somebody to come tow my truck, that I have to pay out of pocket. And I'm confused because I don't understand why I'm paying for insurance and you can't provide me a tow truck. Like, I'm not finna do that. So I asked for the supervisor and all that, because you're not finna just have me out here when I'm paying for insurance for you guys to come pick me up and y'all can't even provide me a tow truck company to come do that. I'm paying for a certain service that you can't provide me, so that doesn't sit well with me. I don't like that. And I had to call my repair shop to see if they can fix my car, and they said that I might have to bring it in or whatever to get it fixed. Let my job know that I'm obviously not gonna make it in today because I don't know like an ETA. I'm just kind of stuck out here. The good thing about it is there's something to eat, and I'm probably just gonna go eat. There's a nail shop right across the street, so I might just walk over there and get my nails done while I'm waiting, because now she was saying that there's no ETA and that she's gonna call me when somebody is on their way here. So I'm like, I might just have to drive home and try to make it there, but my car is leaking. Like, it's worse than yesterday. So now I'm like, okay. I have bad service. This don't make no sense. Hey, girl. Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
It's bad service.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Girl, so what happened?
Girl. So here's my car on the freaking thingy. So I am in the rental car. I think it's a Jetta. I don't know, something simple. But I'm in the rentals car and I got my receipt for the tow truck because I want to get reimbursed because my insurance company couldn't help me out. So it's all over with. Guess what time it is? 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. They had me out here since 9 o'clock this morning waiting on them. Don't make no sense. So I'm still thankful. It could be a worse situation. I got a rental car. My car's in the shop. So it's okay. It's okay. Could be worse. I'm still thankful. But I'm about to probably go get something to eat and just chill for the rest of the night and do some editing. And that's it. That's it. I don't feel like doing nothing else. So I just wanted to keep y'all up to date because your girl been through it, okay? I've been through it. My mom had to come help me. She picked me up because you can't ride with the tow truck man. I'm like, this is too much. Way too much. So I'm on my way to get something to eat and just settle down. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Up, y'all? What's up? I don't think I've been vlogging in since Thursday. The last time I think was Thursday. Today's Saturday, July 3rd. Well, I gotta put some gas in my car. But today is the 3rd. I'm about to go work out with Mecca in Smyrna, Georgia. We got our little outfits. They're red. Some people got the red outfits and some people got the blue. I'm a little early today. I'm surprised. But yeah, just a little update on my car. I am gonna have to get a new one. I am using a different car for now, and pretty much my engine is messed up, and it's like almost $5,000 to $6,000 to get a new engine, and I'm not finna do that. I can just get a new car instead of just paying for an engine. And plus, it's about time for a new car anyway. I've been really just pushing through on that car, just trying to ride it till the wheels fall off. And I was just almost done paying it off too. Like, almost done paying it off. But that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, the last couple of days I've just been working. Yesterday, I just chilled. I literally did nothing. So I'm about to go in here with this workout class. My friend just texted me, said that she just pulled up. I'm about to go ahead and walk in. Outfit is cute. It's Gymshark. We got the 2-piece with the leggings and the sports bra. And then she got us a little cup or like a little, water bottle. It's cute. So I'll see y'all in there. Y'all already know it be packed. So let me get a good spot.
Take it back. Come on. Let's go. 1, 2.
I'm all nice and clean, about to relax, chill, and just chill. So thanks again for watching my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.